Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and previously we have discussed about different kind of domains like IT. After degree, what you should do, or if you are in the network domain, like what else you can do. So now in this module, we'll be discussing about the network and infrastructure. Okay, so this particular domain we will discuss. Now, in network infrastructure, we have discussed about data center, wireless, VPN, MPLS, engineer, automation engineer, cloud engineer, virtualization, etc. Now, the certification and other information that we are going to discuss now. So, if you are in that network infrastructure, okay. So we'll discuss over here about the network infrastructure domain. So if you're coming from that engineering or if you're coming from any background, so that doesn't matter. So it is very important that you have to have passion. So if you see 80% of this industry or 90% of that industry, they has to have that uh, their server, they have to have the network, they have to have wireless and all those. So the 10% which are like I'm talking about normal grocery shop and all those street sellers, they mostly don't use it, so I'm just leaving them. But the rest of this organization, if you see everywhere, they have to have that network infrastructure, right? So network infrastructure is consist of what they will be having products, what all products will be having, and how you will be gaining the certification and how you'll move forward. That I will discuss. So network infrastructure, if you see, they having some products like uh, infrastructure, network infrastructure. So that is one thing. Number two will be network security. Number three will be cloud. In certification and every single things I will discuss. So just have patience, please. Cloud. Number four, network automation. Number five, storage. Number six, container technology. Okay. Number seven, virtualization. Number eight, cyber security can add with this. Number nine, network auditing. Network audit. Number 10, network monitoring. So guys, you can see here network monitoring, and then another thing came into the network domain, so that is IoT, so which is also quite booming. Now when we are talking about network infrastructure, so network infrastructure basically controlled by few good vendors, like you have Cisco, you have Juniper, you have Extreme, and then you have some other product like D-Link, like it is in that very low range, and Huawei, that I don't want to write the name here because some of the viewers are from some other places, so they really don't like. Even I also find like some conspiracy in behind that devices and all those, so I really ignore it. Okay, so in that infrastructure, so this is the infrastructure. If you want to go inside the infrastructure, in this profession, it come L1 engineer, L2 engineer, L3 engineer, like that. It comes like L1, then L2, then L3, like that. All that various labels are there. Okay, various types are there. Okay. So now once your L1, L2 and L3 engineers are there, like L1 task will be different. Suppose you will be doing that cabling, you will be doing that, rack mounting. You'll be mounting the device, top of the rack. Then you will be doing, let's say, installing that operating system in that. So like that, plenty of things, L1 engineers it does. So you don't think like after your degree you will be coming and you will be getting so high. It's not, scenario is not like that. So then you can start doing certification. So certification, if you do, like you can, if you are in Cisco, then you can go for CCNA. CCNA right now it's become a CCNA infrastructure. Okay, so over there automation is there, network programmability is there, and everything. So guys, I'm telling again, for CCNA, please don't go to any institute and waste your money. Now everything is, book is available. Always you go for that Cisco cert guide. Cisco cert, CERT, Cisco cert guide, and from there, you can build your own lab. Okay, so one more thing guys, I want to show you up. Suppose some of the people were saying like they are not able to find my videos. So guys, if you go to in this my channel, and after that if you go here and click on playlist, so then you can find it all that things, like you see here career in IT. If you want to find it, if you can check it here, cyber security, then you can check that Cisco Nexus, all that series you can find it here. So don't get confused, right? So it will be in playlist. You can come here and you can click on it and you can see which all category you want to watch. So everything will be here. All right, so don't be confused over there. All right, so then you can go for CCNA infrastructure, and then we'll be knowing how to configure router, how to configure switch, how to SDN works, and etc. Then you will be coming to this your this part. I mean, other vendor, Juniper also having some certification like that, Extreme also having some thing like that. Okay, so now based on your interest, so you can move forward. Okay, I hope you're clear with this. So then you will be coming to the network security. So network security, they're having a plenty of products are there. So okay, so those products are from Cisco as well as let me write down. So Cisco also having a in network security, very good reach. Then you having Checkpoint, then you having Palo Alto, then you will be having SonicWall, then you will be having Fortinet, then so many other vendors are there. So but these are the quite famous. All right. Now Cisco, if you think about the Cisco security, so you can go for CCNP security and CCIE security. For Checkpoint, you can go for CCSA, CCAC, Palo Alto, PNCSA, PNCAC. So SonicWall also having FortiGate, they having NSE 1, NSE 2, and NSE 3. NSE 4 up to NSE 7, 8, 10 they have. So guys, NAC network security expert. So Fortinet NSE 1 and NSE 2 is free, so you can go for it. Okay, so these are the certification of free, so you can try on that. Fine. Now after this we will discuss about the products, Cisco which are products they have, and who you can learn that. So we will come later on. Now once we'll be coming to the cloud mostly they having Azure and AWS. Okay, so guys, I hope you are very clear like what is cloud. Some of that you can video you can watch that is there in my playlist also. You can learn from anywhere, no problem in that. My intention is to educate you how the path should be if you're in the network domain. And then you can go for Alibaba, which is another Chinese vendor, so you can skip it. You can go for IBM cloud also. You have a VMware cloud, which is my favorite. Okay, so you will be having this VMware cloud. So now we'll be coming to the network. This is the cloud part. So cloud also having cloud automation, cloud security, cloud server, cloud, licensing, plenty of things you will be knowing over here once you'll be going to the cloud environment. Now network automation, that is actually taking us to the next level. So network automation, orchestration, and everything. So what I will do in network automation, I will be putting the SDN and everything I'll be putting here, and then I will tell you. So guys, network automation, orchestration, network programmability, all together I'm telling you here, you know, automation, orchestration, and programmability. So some of that popular technologies just you can learn, which is SDN. Then you can learn SD-WAN. Then you can learn SDA, SD access. Then there are plenty of vendor will be coming to the picture over here. So let's say if I write over here SDN and SDN and ODL, so that is the one thing is here. Then you'll be coming you know ACI. This is the one vendor, is a Cisco. Now if you are in VMware, then will be NSX. Okay, sorry, NSX. Okay, if you same thing you want to go with that open standard, then OpenStack. All right. So these are the features, these are the modules, these are the things are here in the network automation. Okay. So this, if you're, but for coming to this module, before that you have to have that infrastructure knowledge, you have to have the server knowledge, and all those will be required. Now in a storage, you will be few players are there. Cisco also is there. Then you will be Cisco storage you can search, and then you can go for NetApp. Then you will be having Dell Data. So these are the big players are here. So container technology will be coming Docker, Kubernetes. Okay, then you will be having few more things, like you will be having uh, I mean, if you are going for Cisco, so then you'll be having DevNet. All right. So these are the very cutting edge technologies, which is really very helpful. Now virtualization means like in this domain, you will be biggest player are there like VMware. Then you'll be having Microsoft, Hyper-V. Then you will be coming Citrix. Then you will be having some other virtualization. Let's say Red Hat also having virtualization. Red Hat. Okay. Now cybersecurity, earlier videos I already explained that UCH, CSFI, CSA, CISSP, GISA. So those all certification you can do. Network audit, which is very interesting professional. So if you are working any of the products, any of the domain earlier, now you can move to the network audit, like pen testing, some of the certification you can do, and you can move on to this. Network monitoring, Cisco will be having network monitoring tool like Stealthwatch and all other products. Let's say DNS Center, and then you'll be having Umbrella. So with the help of that, you can get it. But for that, you have to have minimum 5 to 6 years of experience working on the domain, those domains. So then only you'll be able to understand it properly. So these are the things I wanted to explain, and then I will be discussing another one, that is server. So guys, server when we'll be doing, so you will be finding Windows Server and Linux Server mostly. So Windows Server you will be having plenty of certification, okay, and Linux also they are having a certification, but I will recommend you should go for that Red Hat certification, let's say RHC or CSA. If you want to go for virtualization, you can go for it. And another thing I would like to add here, guys, you just be assured, be very good and that infrastructure, then you move some other domain. But ultimately this will tell you, how to move forward, how one device works, how communication happen, how protocol works. Every single thing is going to work through this. So make sure this will be giving you one of the best, what I can say is a best features, best visibility to understand the rest of the things. So please, you just work on this, go through this, find your interest, then you move forward. Because if you go to some of the organization, I mean for the training, they will they are trained, the people who are there in the reception, they are trained how to put you in trap. So you don't be in that trap. You just be specific, like what you want to know, what you want to understand, and what exactly you are thinking of. Then you go for any certification or something. And another thing, guys, nowadays everything is virtual. Everything is possible to do in virtually. So why don't you build your own lab and go for this? So because even you're thinking about the Cisco, you will be having that Cisco certification, like whatever you want to do with the Cisco products, everything is available. You put inside that and you can do it. Now if you go here and check that how to build the lab, how to build a virtual lab, so it is here, you can watch the video. Still you having any problem, so you can go to this website networkred.net. So over here everywhere it is written here, like can you see here every thumbnail, the my network red.net, which is website is there. If you go in the down, scroll down and go there, you can find the comment section, so you can put there and you can reach. So once you'll be doing self research, it will be coming more things in front of you. All right, so that is really going to help you out. Okay, so then after server, you'll be finding something wireless network, wireless. So wireless few are very good. Let's say uh, in wireless, Aruba is good. In wireless, Fortinet also not bad. But Cisco I really like. Cisco wireless, they're having a Prime, they're having Cisco WLC, Cisco AP, they have all of Cisco solution you can get. And if you want security, you can add ICE to it. But one thing I will recommend, one thing I really like, that is Cisco recently they are adding with SDA, in which wireless and wired both of the connectivity can be there, and which is really fantastic, which is really amazing. Okay, so Aruba will be I really prefer, and Cisco is my favorite, and Fortinet also you can go. And there is another product from Cisco which is your taking quite a good great level, I mean great exposure, which is Meraki. Okay, Meraki is also not bad, so you can think about this. So guys, I hope the when you are investing on this, it's really helping you out. My always intention was to add some value in your career, so that's what I'm just adding to it. Thank you guys.